I noticed a lot of the artists na kino-cover ko over the past year, past 6 months, a lot of the songs na nire-release lately are about moving on, about self-care, self-worth. Bakit kaya ganun yung trajectory ng songwriting ng OPM ngayon? Bakit tapos na ba tayo sa nasasaktan? Ready na nandun ba tayo sa era na self-love, ganyan? Sorry. In your case, kasi clarity, di ba? When you're looking for clarity, it gravitates towards, you're right, papunta dun sa self-care pa rin. Sorry to cut it doon.
That's a very good observation. That's mind blowing actually. I feel like in the age of social media, social awareness, a lot of people gravitate towards self improvement. And di ba nga habang tumataas ang estado mo, after survival mode, it becomes about enriching the quality of life. And I feel like that's where we are as a generation. Because our parents, our ancestors, the people who have gone before us have done a great job carrying us through survival. That now it's not just merely about survival, but it's about now that we have survived, how do we live the best life we could ever live? And that's where self-improvement kicks in, I believe. So even the art kasi is just an expression of what really happens on ground, diba?
Yeah.
What happens in your own bedroom, yun yung lalabas sa material. So I feel like we are blessed to live in a generation wherein that's really the messaging that everyone gravitates towards. How do you live the best life?
I think effect din siya nung going through the pandemic. We had a chance to sit with our thoughts, ganyan, relive yung mga passions natin na, nag-paint nga pala ako dati, sumusulat nga pala ako ng tula dati. And I think it's one of the path through self-discovery and self-knowing yourself.
Kumbaga nakapag-reflect pala tayo.
Tapos ano rin po, I think the generation now is more mature and they want to be happy. Kasi part of being mature is accepting na hindi sila forever dapat maging broken hearted. And so, I think part of that nagre-reflect din sa music taste mo.